Lemurian Quartz is a highly powerful stone that vibrates with ethereal energy. Many believe it to bridge the gap between Earth and the cosmos. It helps you to tune into your spirituality and to connect with your soul. Some call these stones wisdom keepers and believe them to be left behind by the inhabitants of the mythical lost land of Lemuria. Lemurian Quartz is an excellent stone for spiritual growth and introspection. It encourages compassion, understanding, and inner healing so that you can move forward in life with a clear conscience. Lemurian Quartz can help you to recognize your life's purpose and find the courage to follow it. Working with Lemurian Quartz will give you a greater understanding of yourself and provide clarity for the future. Let's dive into the geology of Lemurian Quartz. Lemurian quartz is a special type of clear quartz with striations. Striations are grooved lines that run parallel to each other horizontally on some sides of the point. Some describe these lines as looking like barcodes or a ladder. Typically, you can feel these lines with your fingers. Lemurian quartz is unique in many metaphysical ways as well as geological. The lines on Lemurian quartz will typically only appear on a few sides of the crystal, often on alternating sides. The sides with lines can be cloudy or frosted looking. Striations are believed to be caused by growth interruptions. In other words, changes in temperature, pressure, or the amount of silica while the crystal is growing can disrupt that growth and create the unique qualities we love in Lemurian quartz. These so-called interruptions also cause the frosty-looking sides. Lemurian quartz crystals can form in clusters, but they are very fragile, so they often fall from the cluster, or the points form by themselves. Lemurian quartz sometimes has a pinkish hue to it, but most of the time it is colorless and clear. Lemurian quartz is much more rare than regular clear quartz. Because the lines are Lemurian quartz's defining feature, the more pronounced the lines, the more valuable the crystal will be. In addition, if the sides without the lines are exceptionally clear with no inclusions, the crystal will be more desirable. Like other quartz, Lemurian quartz is quite hard. It measures a 7 on Mohs hardness scale and is strong enough to scratch glass. Lemurian quartz was originally discovered in Brazil. Much of the Lemurian quartz on the market is still from Brazil, but it is also found in Peru, Colombia, Madagascar, and even America. Some people believe that if Lemurian quartz is not from Brazil, where it was discovered, it should not be called Lemurian quartz. These people call Lemurian quartz from other regions striated quartz. Have you ever felt like your intuition always ends up being the wrong choice? Feel like there's a million things going on in your brain and you can't focus on just one? No matter the issue, Lemurian quartz is the stone for you. It is known for its ability to bring clarity of thought and dissolve negativity with ease. It's said that Lemurian quartz contains ancient knowledge, allowing it to bring healing energy and connect people with their higher selves. When meditating with Lemurian quartz, you may find new ideas and insights coming to you, as well as a deep sense of serenity. The benefits of meditating with Lemurian quartz include increased clarity, enhanced spiritual growth, and an overall sense of groundedness and peace. Wearing Lemurian quartz jewelry is a great way to keep its serene energy with you. It is often found in pendant form, helping you to channel its positivity. Wear it as a ring to direct your intentions into the world. Since it is often kept in its natural point form, it is important to know that facing it differently might have different results. Wearing the ring with the point facing you will help attract peace and wisdom into your life. Wearing the ring with the point facing out helps you to channel positive energy and productive communication into the world and those around you. Placing a Lemurian quartz point in your home can have very positive effects. Putting a point in your bedroom will promote peaceful sleep, and if you are looking to do some dream work, Lemurian quartz is a great crystal for that. Some people will even place a very small piece of Lemurian quartz under their pillow, and it can also be helpful to place a piece of Lemurian quartz on your desk or in your workspace because it attracts wisdom and intelligent thinking. It's important to cleanse your Lemurian quartz often so that it doesn't hold on to any negative energy and so it can continue to bring positivity and light into your life. Because it is a strong stone, any cleansing method you prefer is safe to do. For more information on healing crystals and how to use them, be sure to like and follow.